Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So surely Nifty as well as the Sensex trading in the green, and after they were trading in the red, both the benchmark indices were trading in the red in the morning trade. But as of now, a sharp trade coming in for both Nifty as well as the Sensex, both trading up 0.8% in trade as well. Broader markets too performing in line with the benchmark indices, trading in the green, both the mid cap as well as the small cap space doing quite well in trade as well. Now, among the top drags in trade today, we are seeing the banking space obviously being among the top drags, mainly declining due to IndusInd Bank. That is, we're seeing pressure coming in on that stock. Pharma space is one sector actually which is trading in the red today. It's down almost 1% in trade. Other than that, all the sectors as of now are trading in the green. But moving on, we do have stocks, individual stocks that are in focus today. Let's talk about IndusInd Bank. Now, the stock is slumped as much as 10% in trade, despite the clarification coming in on media reports related to the whistleblower allegation of business practices at its unit BFIL. And now the lenders has said that the reports of the whistleblowers which they've raised are absolutely inaccurate as well as baseless. So surely keep an eye out on IndusInd Bank, but today tanking in trade, down almost 10%. DIVI'S Lab too under pressure, down almost 7% in trade after the company has reported a below estimate set of numbers in Q2, where the company's net profits have actually risen by 16.7%. Revenues also up by 13.6%, but margins surely are under pressure, and the overall earnings were much below what the street was expecting. On the other hand, PFIZER India doing quite well in trade, up almost 5% in trade after an upbeat set of numbers was reported by the company in Q2, where the profits have risen to 143 crores versus 131 crores a year ago, and the revenues also seen a rise of around 7% on a year-on-year basis. EICHER Motors too in focus. Stock is up almost 2% after a strong set of numbers was reported by the company in Q2. All the headline numbers were above estimates. Yes, there is some pressure coming in due to the chip shortage, but overall the numbers have been quite good for EICHER Motors in Q2. BATA India too in focus. Stock is up as much as 3% in trade today after the company has reported a strong set of numbers in Q2, better than expected set of numbers in Q2, where revenue is up by 67%, and they're seeing a better recovery also coming in during the quarter as the lockdown was easing, restrictions have eased, and there is unlock happening. So retail space surely doing quite well, and Edelweiss too maintaining a buy stance on the company, buy rating on the company. So keep BATA in focus as well. And lastly, we have INOX which is in focus. The stock is up as much as 3% in trade after the company has won an order of around 150 megawatt from NTPC Renewable. So surely keep INOX in focus as well. And these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade this afternoon.